Introducing Bosch Full Force Technology. 20% smaller, 10% more power, driving productivity. Since the first pneumatic nailer was invented back in 1962, the basic technology has remained the same, that is, until now. The same Bosch engineers that invented the most compact cordless power tools on the market have revolutionized pneumatic nailer technology. The patented new technology delivers maximum power in a compact package. This revolutionary design allows for better access into tight spaces, comfortable overhead firing, better line of sight, and unprecedented all-day usability. With the old technology, nailers rely on a return chamber that adds bulk and weight. When the trigger is pulled, air forces the piston down the cylinder. This movement drives air into the return chamber, which later resets the piston to the strike position. Air pressure building in the return chamber generates resistance to the piston. As a result, energy is wasted on the strike. Full force is not utilized. Bosch Full Force technology does not rely on return chambers, which eliminates this resistance. When the trigger is pulled, air drives the piston down the cylinder. As the piston strikes, air is exhausted out the front of the tool. 100% air power, no wasted energy. Full force is utilized. With the release of the trigger, a second burst of air resets the piston to the strike position. Bosch delivers maximum power to consistently drive nails flush in even the toughest job site applications, like engineered lumber. No nail left standing. Bosch Full Force technology guarantees the best power to size ratio in the industry and is available through the Bosch pneumatic fastening system. 20% smaller, 10% more power, driving productivity.